Welcome to the sponsor of this video, Top FX. Now, Top FX is a global award-winning broker that has been around since the year 2010. Top FX prides itself in offering multiple trading assets over multiple trading platforms, that is on your CTrader and MetaTrader. Now we also have expert analysis from our top traders on a daily basis. We also offer various accounts that you can choose from with spreads starting from 0 pips up to zero point 0.5 pips and leverage of up to 1 is to 8,000. Now if you're ready to start trading with the top and the best broker currently, click that link in the description button or click start trading and register your account now. Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It cannot be a real Tuesday without us looking at our Tuesday's technicals. Now, welcome to another episode of Tuesday Technicals from Wall Street Institute and Company. Coming to you today again, or presenting this market breakdown to you again today is Max Capital, the founder and the Chief Investment Officer of Wall Street Institute Company and the Southern Wealth Fund. So yeah, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get to it. As always, we're going to look at our trading economics. Now, our headline news is that Asian stocks fall in cautious trade. Australian building permits fall. So we might expect a really little drop in the Asian markets, as last week we saw them gain strength in the overall market. All gains on US debt ceiling optimism. So oil has been trading just a little bit above $73 per barrel. US future prices rise as debt ceiling deal reached. Right, Japan jobless rate below estimates. As I've said, Asian markets are not doing well. European shares closed slightly lower. It's going to be interesting to see how the euro reacts, since there's news coming um, Turkey, and the Turkish lira has lost about 6% of its value. Singapore producer prices fall near 3-year low. Generally, from these headlines, you can tell that the Asian markets are not doing well of late. Now let's look at our calendar as far as what can we anticipate in the week ahead. So this morning, we have gross domestic product coming from Switzerland, flash CPI from Spain, and later at 4 p.m. we've got consumer confidence from the US. Tomorrow morning at 1 a.m., the governor of the Reserve Bank of Australia is going to be speaking. We're going to have consumer price index from Australia as well. And it's going to be a German preliminary meeting on the CPI. It's going to take the whole day. And then what else do we have? We have gross domestic product from Canada, job jobs from the US on Thursday. We've got non-farm employment change, unemployment claims. And on Friday, we have the famous NFP and average hourly earnings. So with that said, let's get on our chat to see how the markets are doing. In front of me, I've got the dollar, or the dollar index, which measures the strength and the weakness of the US dollar. Most of the pairs that we trade have the dollar in it, so it is imperative that we have a look at this, right? I have this general area that I'm going to operate from. On a weekly perspective, this is how it looks like, right? So marking my weekly high and weekly low. So we've got that area of supply over there. which we anticipate the dollar to tap into the areas of 105 and then further drop to the downside. Hence, I'm more bullish this week on the dollar prior to the NFP. So it'll be interesting to see how the market plays out. Stepping down to a 4 time frame, let us see where is this. Yeah, somewhere, yeah, right. So yeah, 105, 105. We're anticipating the dollar to push to 105. As for now, we'll be operating from this major low. Since you see on the left hand side it broke structure, I'm gonna try to do this in less than 20 minutes. See if that is possible. So yeah, further push to the upside for the dollar index. There we go. So yeah, that's what we anticipate from the dollar index. Further push to the upside. Next, we've got gold. Gold, interesting price action here. So I'm gonna consider this as my major high. We're still on the 4 hour, yeah, and this as my major low. And I'm sure you can already tell that we did break structure on the left hand side, yeah. Pushing further to the downside, and we've got imbalance lying here. Huge imbalance over there, and we've got that area of supply that we haven't tapped into yet. So I was anticipating this to push further to the upside, but it just reacted to the imbalance. However, it'll be interesting to see how price action play out. So there's a chance that it can just break this weekly low, or what it can do is sorry, what it can do also is push to the upside in this manner, and then we see a drop. Overall, we're bearish since we're anticipating the dollar to strengthen. This is negatively correlated, so we're expecting a drop in gold, which might also indicate that economies are stabilizing. Now, from one of our headlines, we did read on crude oil that it has been trading above 73, which is good for oil, good for the Canadian dollar as well. So we've got that area of supply there left unmitigated. Huge imbalance. Break of structure on the left hand side. If you focus here, you'd realize I'm just giving away the strategy, right? Everything that I'm doing here is exactly how we do it when we analyze the market. My take is I'm anticipating a further push to 75 and then a drop on oil, right? Moving on, let's see, pound dollar. This one has been acting funny lately. So my major high is there and major low is over here. Let's look at we've got a break of structure on the left hand side here. Market keeps on breaking lows. We know what that means already, right? So it means we're in a downtrend. Personally, I'm seeing this hidden area of supply over here, which I think we need to tap into. Once again, the dollar is bullish overall, so we're anticipating further drop on this. Let's see, dollar CAD. Interesting price action. So we're operating from this highs. And yeah, there's lows. However, I can just consider this as my major high. So I'm not sure what happened here. I'm still going to investigate that probably on a lower time frame, but the supply area that's in control is this one. Personally, I'll be anticipating this to push further to these lows of 1.35. Let's see, let me change that template. There you go. Demand order block. So possibly since the oil is strengthening, and which means the Canadian dollar is gaining strength as well, I would anticipate a drop on the US dollar CAD. I've already seen a couple of signs already. So we've got change of character over here. We've got that change of character over there. So yeah, really anticipating this to drop. Probably the supply zone that's in control is this one right here. So yeah, the step down on a 15-minute time frame, maybe just to see how that looks. Yep, I'm still more bearish on this one. On a 15-minute time frame, probably a change of character is over here. So with the market coming back to respect this area of supply as well, broke structure right here. Let me fix the change of character as well. So according to the 15-minute time frame, the change of character is right over here. Right. There we go. So yeah, I am still bearish on this one. I'm still bearish on this one, more especially because we kept on breaking lows. You know, I am still bearish on this one. Yep. Let's look at the next one. 74 time frame. Dollar yen, dollar yen. Interesting price action once again. So what are we operating from here? So my points of interest, or my major highs and lows, are these two over here. So what did we see here? Last week we saw this supply being created, of which the market didn't really tap into. Let's step down to a 15-minute time frame. Maybe we can get some better price action. Absolutely. So our supply area moves to that. Let me just adjust it so that I can put everything right here for you to see, guys. So yeah, in terms of break of structure and stuff like that, so my last high low would be this one right here. So that's where the change of character happened for me. We've got a liquidity sweep right here, of which meets all the conditions that we look for when we are trading smart money concepts, so to speak. So I've got a liquidity sweep over there, and this area of supply which was left unmitigated. This to me is just liquidity. We've got imbalance over here. So I am anticipating this market to push further to the upside and then drop. My demand zone would be this one right here. Let's get a template, demand, fix that. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at looking at the dollar yen, euro dollar. Let's check that on a 4-hour time frame to find our major highs and lows. Take trades here. Walked away with just 3%. It's major high, major low over here, and 15. See on a 15-minute time frame, what do we have here? We've got this area of supply, which I'd like to believe was mitigated supply, and another hidden order block that was here right at the week, right? There we go. So got equal lows here, which is liquidity, and I believe that we're still gonna come back down to take that out, and we have that area of supply which has not been mitigated yet. This is just telling us the same story as far as dollar quote pairs are concerned, or pairs that have the US dollar as the secondary currency. Since we're expecting strength from the dollar this week, and we can expect the Euro GBP, GBP USD to weaken. Vice versa with the US dollar, Japanese yen, and yeah, pretty much that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, dollar gaining strength for the week ahead. Uh, you can use your correlation rules to see how other major pairs react. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. Have a great trading week, and appreciate the 80 subscribers that we have already. I can see you guys are following this page religiously. Please do leave a comment, or if there's anything that you'd like us to look at, and if you'd like to join us for our live trading sessions, links are below. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. Cheers.